We're going to start our color mixing. What we want to do is take these colors, the colors we're going to use that are specifically chosen for a portrait, mainly warm colors. We want to mix them into a 4-value range that matches what we did when we painted in the 4-value range of the portrait previously. So we're going to start with black, ivory black, and what we want to do is find the darkest black value in the photo and match that as our beginning value. So that's going to be our first dark value. Then from there we will mix the other values with ivory black and work on a 4-value scale, matching the different values in the photograph. We'll leave a space in between the values because we have 8 spaces, but we just want to match the 4. And we'll leave spaces in between and continue to mix each one of those 4 values until we come up with a basic 4-value scale. Once we completed our 4-value scale in our ivory black, we'll go on to the next color, which is raw umber. And that's a very dark brown color. That's our warm, sort of neutral color. And so we'll go through the same process that we previously worked with the black, and we'll go ahead and mix 4 values with the raw umber, matching the values of the ivory black. So everything's based on matching the values of the initial black color. That way we'll stay consistent with our values with each color. In order to try to match the colors, you will need to squint as you match them, place them next to each other, or that is to say we've matched the color below the black color or the ivory black color, and squint and see if you've been able to match the actual same value of each one of the 4 values. We'll continue with this through all the different colors. Our next color is going to be our red, and we're going to use a Cadmium Red Medium, which is a little darker than Cadmium Red Light, and red's difficult to match value because it is a bright saturated color. But if we squint enough, we'll see that it basically falls into that medium dark value. So we'll place that in, then we'll mix white into it, into our next lighter value, and then finally our lightest value. We'll then move on to yellow ochre. Now yellow ochre basically starts at the medium light value, and then we'll end up mixing a white into that to create the lightest version of the yellow ochre. So here are our colors: ivory black, raw umber, cadmium red, medium, and then yellow ochre with white. And this will be our basic palette that we'll use for painting the portrait, and we'll paint over our original black value portrait.